Welcome to Buyer's Guide. The best sprout lids is probably one of the most innovative and eco-friendly ways to keep your produce fresh and reduce food waste, offering a sustainable alternative to traditional plastic wrap and containers. These reusable silicone lids create an airtight seal on various container shapes and sizes, from bowls and jars to cut fruits and vegetables, helping to preserve their natural moisture and prevent spoilage for longer periods. Imagine extending the life of your avocados, onions, or leftover meals with a simple, elegant solution that's also good for the planet. Number 5. Masontops Bean Screen Mason Jar Sprouting Kit. Introducing the Masontops Bean Screen, the trusted name in mason jar sprouting. Its patented design fits all wide-mouth mason jars, creating the perfect environment for growing nutritious sprouts. You can grow all kinds of sprouts, including broccoli, alfalfa, and mung beans. These sprouts are packed with vitamins, fiber, and iron, turning your mason jars into sprout-growing machines. This kit features pegs that allow your jars to stand upright for complete drainage, preventing spoilage. The unique design also prevents the jar from rolling, stabilizing your growing environment. Rinsing is a breeze thanks to the inverted spout. Unlike other lids, you never need to remove the bean screen during the sprouting process, avoiding messy splashing. Made from BPA-free plastic and silicone, this sprouting kit is completely food safe. Enjoy growing your own healthy sprouts right at home with peace of mind. What we like? This one offers a patented design that ensures maximum airflow and easy rinsing. If you prioritize a hassle-free sprouting experience with minimal cleanup, this is the ideal choice for you. Its unique features make it perfect for busy individuals who want fresh sprouts without the fuss. What people say. The sprout lids fit perfectly on the jars, making them easy to use for sprouting. These lids are a great addition to my sprouting setup, allowing for good airflow and drainage. I love how the sprout lids are designed to prevent mold growth and promote healthy sprouting. Number 4. Elementi Sprouting Lids for Wide-Mouth Mason Jars. Grow your own organic micro-salads with ease. Add fresh, nutritious ingredients to your diet affordably and enjoy a constant supply of greens. Crafted from high-quality 316 stainless steel and BPA-free plastic, these lids are safe, durable, and built to last. Unlike lower-quality options, they won't rust. Easily cultivate a variety of microgreens at home, including alfalfa, broccoli, and bean sprouts. Turn any wide-mouth mason jar into a complete sprouting kit. Cleaning and storing is a breeze. Just rinse them under running water for reuse. Their compact design fits easily into any drawer. Simply soak seeds, attach the lid, and invert to drain. Rinse and drain daily, and in just 3 to 7 days, you'll have fresh sprouts ready to enjoy. The fine mesh screen ensures even the smallest seeds stay contained within the jar. It also allows for proper air circulation, crucial for healthy growth. What we like? Crafted from premium 316 stainless steel, this option is built for longevity and won't rust. If you're looking for a durable, long-term sprouting solution that maintains its quality over time, this is the one to consider. It's perfect for those who value high-quality materials and a sustainable approach to growing their own food. What people say. The lids appear to be made of quality materials and look like they will last for a long time. The design makes it easy to drain and grow sprouts. This lid makes it so easy to rinse and wash the seeds. They have already begun sprouting after only a day. The mesh is pretty fine enough for quinoa, not so sure about the finest salad seeds. The whole of the plastic part is generous enough for good air circulation and good seed rinsing off the mesh, unlike some competitors who have too much of the top covered by the plastic rim. Number 3. Picowe Plastic Sprouting Lids, 8-pack, green. Introducing our sprouting lids, designed to make growing your own sprouts at home effortless. They are perfect for a variety of nutritious sprouts. Crafted from BPA-free plastic, these lids are non-toxic and food safe. You can be confident you're using a healthy option for your sprouting needs. These lids are designed to fit 86mm wide-mouth mason jars, including popular brands like Ball and Kerr. Please ensure you have a wide-mouth jar for the best fit. Featuring an upgraded, larger hole size, they ensure convenient water filtration. The integrated stand feet mean no extra accessories are needed. Easily grow broccoli, alfalfa, mustard, mung beans, and more. The hole size is optimized for most sprout types, though not suitable for very small seeds like sesame. What we like. This set comes with BPA-free plastic lids featuring an upgraded larger hole size for better filtration and convenient stand feet. If you appreciate a simple, functional design that includes built-in support for your jars, this is a great option. It's particularly suitable for beginners or those who want a straightforward and stable sprouting setup. What people say. The holes are larger and it allows for better airflow to the sprouts, which means better growth because they don't go bad because of too much water. Bigger holes make drainage quicker and more efficient by releasing all the water, so it's more consistent with successful sprouts crops that don't get ruined by too much sitting water that didn't drain. The spikes on the top of the lid are longer to allow for more airflow if you were to sprout something that sat completely straight up. Number 2. Econo-Sprouter 3-piece toppers set. Introducing the Econo-Sprouter toppers set. This 3-piece set makes sprouting seeds at home incredibly simple and convenient. Designed for home growers, these toppers are an essential addition to your kitchen. Enjoy fresh sprouts year-round with ease. Crafted for durability, this set is built to last. Its user-friendly design ensures a hassle-free sprouting experience every time. You receive a complete 3-piece set, providing everything you need to get started. It's the perfect size for most standard jars. Grow your own nutritious sprouts right in your kitchen. With this set, fresh, healthy greens are always within reach. What we like. This is a simple toppers set designed for ease of use. If you're looking for a no-fuss, straightforward solution to start sprouting without needing a full kit, this is the perfect choice. It's ideal for those who already have mason jars and just need the lids to begin their sprouting journey. What people say. They fit mason jars like the proverbial glove, and having 3 opening sizes is a great idea as different sprouts come in different sizes, plus as sprouts begin to grow, changing tops make it easier to rinse and get rid of hulls, etc. The convenience of being able to use any common wide-mouth canning jars from the small 12-ounce models to the gallon size is what makes this product very convenient. I particularly like the 2 lids with the larger sized holes for when sprouts get large enough that they don't go through the small holes anymore, or if the sprouts are already of a size that they won't fall through. That does make dumping the water out a little easier. Number 1. Mason Jar Sprouting Kit. Introducing a complete sprouting set that has everything you need to grow your own delicious sprouts right at home. Enjoy fresher sprouts than ever before, easily and conveniently. Crafted with high-quality, food-grade 316 stainless steel lids and a sturdy 304 stainless steel stand, this kit is built to last. The included growing tray is made of durable, dishwasher-safe plastic. Our expertly designed stand ensures optimal airflow and drainage, crucial for successful sprouting. The tray effectively collects drained water, while the stable stand securely holds your jars. The wide-mouth mason jars provide ample space for sprouts to grow and make harvesting a breeze. Fine wire screens keep even small seeds contained, perfect for a variety of seeds like broccoli and alfalfa. Enjoy sprouts that are not only tasty but also packed with essential nutrients and chlorophyll. It's a fun and rewarding family activity that teaches valuable lessons about growth. What we like. This is a comprehensive kit that includes everything you need: jars, 316 stainless steel lids, a drip tray, and a stand. If you're a beginner or want the most convenient all-in-one solution to start growing sprouts immediately, this set is for you. It eliminates the need to purchase separate components, making it perfect for those who want a complete and efficient sprouting experience right out of the box. What people say. The design ensures airflow and drainage, which is crucial for successful sprouting. The wide mouth of the jars makes it easy to remove the sprouts without any hassle. The small wire screens ensure that even tiny seeds stay in place during the sprouting process. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.